headed to my girl's shop to go get my nails done because my nails need to be done. I had this like gel thing on it. I'm so excited because she's about to do a freestyle. So I'm excited to see what she's about to come up with. Yeah, I'll see you guys once we head to her shop.
Spider, sex, yeah, 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 yeah. The price I want for sure, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitch running around this bitch, named all the coders. Yeah, I just told her make a story. Yeah, I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah. I told her stab my nips. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back.
It's the next day. Sorry I look like this, y'all. I'm clearly about to get my hair done. These are my nails yesterday. It's very fallish. So yeah, she did a freestyle set on me. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to change my nails. One, because they're way too long, and I don't like the whole long nail thing anymore. So I want to change my nail, but I'm like, I wanted to change my nails today, but I'm like, I have no time to change my nail today because when I had to wash my hair this morning. So yeah, I wanted to change my nail today because I can't do it with the long nails and it's too extra for me. But I'm like, let me just calm down. Let me just deal with these nails for a week because I booked it for next week so we can get them shorter again. But anyways, I'm about to leave to my hair appointment. I am getting a leave out, and y'all, I haven't got a leave out since I went natural, and I've been natural for years now. Like, I got 3 bundles of Bell Lux bundles. If you don't already know, of course, Bell Lux bundles. So I got the straight length, and I got 28 inches, so it's about to be really, really long. I'm excited. I don't know if I'm gonna take you guys. Maybe I'll vlog on my phone, but I'll definitely show you guys my hair once it's done. So I'll see you soon.
I gotta move on. Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, she don't want my love. I guess I gotta move on. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh no, she don't want my love. I guess I gotta move on. I guess I came a little too strong. I guess she don't want my love. I guess I gotta move on.
Y'all should see how I have y'all, but like I clearly cannot drive like this. Yeah, I can't drive like this because you guys are literally hanging on like one turn. You guys will be flying out of here. But hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a weekly vlog of my life. Y'all gonna see me a lot with the hat on because I got a sew in, but I don't know how the girls do it. I cannot do it, y'all. Like, I do not want to be flat iron my real hair every single day, like just to be sitting in a suite and be doing lashes. Like, no, I'm gonna go back to my wigs. But for now, in the beginning of this vlog, you guys are gonna see me with the hat on. Unless I like decide to flat iron my hair or I put a wig on my head. But yeah, I don't know if I edited it on the video, but I did get my nails done. I got my nails done again, and it's just this chrome gold, and they're so pretty, like the chrome gold tips. I didn't know that chrome chip, like chrome powdered chips. I was watching Amina Coco's vlog, and she also got like chrome tips in her nails. She said it was chipping away, so I'm like, oh, okay, that's what my nails are doing because you guys can see like the chrome is chipping. Sorry for the noise, y'all. But yeah, we're headed to work. It is Sunday. It's 10 a.m. I did have a 12 o'clock appointment, but my client canceled. Now we have a lot of time to get to work, so I'm gonna go get some breakfast. Yeah, my next client is not till 3 p.m. so that's great. And then also what I put in the back, or what you guys seen a lot of packages in my house. I'm gonna open all that when I get back home, but I didn't think I had enough time, but I did have enough time. I could have been sleeping, but it's okay, we move. What I put in the car is like a lash bed and a ring light, because I do have a class to teach this weekend. So that's all her stuff, and then I have more of her stuff in my house that I need to unpackage, but that's just stuff I can carry on its own. Like, I don't need a car to drive to work for. So yeah, I'm just gonna I'm actually just go get some breakfast, because like I said, I am hungry, but I don't know if you guys are gonna stay. So yeah, if you guys stay, this is cool, so we could just talk. So yeah, so my client canceled on me, which is so funny because I wrote her this morning. I was trying to have her come later because, y'all, I am so tired. I'm surprised that, like, hold on, I need to, like, adjust. Yeah, I'm just not gonna talk to y'all because, honestly, I'm not the greatest driver on its own. So, like, yeah, I need to adjust my mirrors. I forgot to do that, so let me do that, and I'll talk to you guys once I head to work, because I don't want to get in an accident. That's kind of crazy. I try to give it all to you, baby. Brand new Mercedes, a newborn baby. And I told you you love too lazy. Okay, can I get a hash brown? And I guess I'm frustrating. Why you wanna go test me, baby? Tell me I'm failing. So yeah, I just got to work. Honestly, I hate driving in New York. Like, it's very ghetto, and it might cause road rage. Like, I understand why people now have road rage. Like, I'm getting honked at for absolutely no reason. Like, you guys want me to cause an accident so bad early in the morning, and I refuse to. But anyways, I just got to work. I had my breakfast. I had a hash brown from McDonald's and McGriddle, and then I also got a caramel frappe, even though I shouldn't be drinking any coffee because I'm about to do lashes and I don't want to start shaking, whatever. But I'm about to just head into my suite. I do need to make a thumbnail because I'm about to upload a video like at 3 p.m. today. So I do need to make a thumbnail for that and then upload my video. Yeah, I am so impulsive. Like, why did I buy a bed? Why did I buy a bed? I bought a whole bed frame because I wanted to, like, redecorate my bedroom. So I bought a whole bed frame, but I'm not even joking here. I had that bed frame since like September, and it's October. So I may build that bed today. I may build that bed tomorrow because I am out tomorrow. So, but yeah, why did I buy a bed? Okay, so it's the next day. Today is Monday. I'm about to go get my lashes done, and I think I want to take my weave out, and I also need to show you guys everything that I bought that's in the other room, but I'm gonna show you guys either today when I get home or tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm getting ready to go to my friend's shop. She just got her certification with lashes. I taught her how to do volume, but she's been doing lashes before, and now she's like back to doing lashes again, so I'm really happy for her. So make sure you guys check her out. Nothing dancing. Did her damn thing. Look at that. You better bug. Period.
It's D-Slay here. She went to the bathroom. She don't know I'm recording, so later.
That's what I get for touching. Good morning. I look a mess, but I'm sorry. I need my hair done. But it is Thursday, October 26th. I have all these packages. Well, I'm only gonna open the ones that I want to open, and then the rest of them I'm not gonna open, aka my bed, because I'm not building my bed right now. It's 8 a.m. Nobody has time for that. I have a class on this weekend, so Saturday and Sunday, and some of these packages are his stuff, so I want to open it and go through it and basically see what I need to order, if I ordered everything, because I'm pretty not sure. I actually do not remember what are in these packages. I ordered these stuff 2 weeks ago and your girl can't remember, so I'm just gonna open them. Okay, so this is an acrylic like storage unit or storage case, whatever, but this is for my suite, so I'm just gonna put this aside. So I'm gonna start like packaging her stuff and putting them away in like one storage unit. I'm gonna put them all in here for her. So you guys are just gonna watch me do that. I do want to show you guys the books that I made. I finally like did something on Canva, because before I was printing my manuals out on Staples, but that was like $50 for like literally one book. Then I print my manuals at like a local printing shop, but that was like $20. So then I'm like, let me just print on Canva, because that's where I was decorating my manuals anyways, and it was much cheaper. I got 5 of them, and I think they were $18 for one, and then it also came like this little clear piece, so it just looks more professional. So if you're looking for a cheaper option to print out your manuals if you teach class, definitely try Canva out. So yeah, I really like them, and then the whole spiral thing and the whole plastic thing, like it was all $18, and it's like front and back. So, and it's also good like quality paper. So we're just gonna pack up some stuff for her.